We outside, dude. It's that V-Take game. V-Take.
Let's go.
Oh, we got the old lady with the... Oh, she got scared. Yo, what up, gang? It's your boy JbreeshNYC. We outside. We got the Benz gang. We about to pick up a new V over there. They watching that shit right now for the gang. Know what I'm saying? We outside. This is the Benz. I had to take the rims off, gang. I had to switch them shits back. Feel me? Oh, damn. We got a spider on that bitch. Know what I'm saying? Super clean. Super clean. We about to get another V today, gang. We getting another car right now, gang. Waiting on that shit. We finna whip the Benz and the new car. I'm gonna let my boy Yankee whip the Benz, nigga. Feel me? We finna be outside in traffic. Waiting for the new car to get cleaned up and shit a little bit. We picking it up right now. We lit. Yo, we could park both of them right here, nigga, and take a thumbnail pic, nigga, with both of them cars. For the no cab. We in the parking lot. Look at this Acura. If they had like a 2024 of these, that shit would have been fire. Ooh. We outside, we just got it. We got the Civic Sport. Damn, this shit clean. Oh, this motherfucker is nice. Oh, this shit is nice. Got the New York plate.
Okay. I feel like a lot of people around here.
Oh, yeah?
Wow. It's a nice car.
I like New York plates. Nah, yeah, it is. What year is this?
24.
Oh, this is 24, gang. 24. This one's nice, though. I like it. It gotta get wiped down, though. It's still a little dirty.
Yeah.
But we good. I like cleaning cars. That's my other car right here. Oh, yeah. We pulled up in the van. Have my other car pulling up. That shit look nice. You know, parking right. Hey. Oh yeah, right next to each other. Valid. Oh. That's fire. I'm about to go ahead and take a quick thumbnail with the card real quick. We gotta check it out, make sure it's, you know what I'm saying, everything is good back out. We got a couple scratches on the rims, you know what I'm saying.
Give me your license, man. I just gotta scan it one more time.
Yeah, I got you.
I'll get right back to you. YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Making sure. Yeah, yo. I don't know how I look right now, but you could take the click that white one. Yeah, it's like oh yeah, you go back up, both of them. Do like this. We outside, man. We outside. Good. Funny. Yeah, my boy Yankee, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna be. This is the hatchback one.
Just need your initials
This
in,
is
so.
fire. Gang. All right, we back. We about to go back. We going back to the spots, man. I'm about to whip the Civic. My boy Yankee finna whip the Benz real quick. Damn, this is not leather gang? Nah, it's the regular one. Damn.
You're gonna shit, bro.
Damn. You see, this is why I like the Benz, bro, because of the, you feel me? That shit is older, but look, you see all the difference, bro? Like, nigga, not even, this is like 2024, and it still don't got the power of mirrors. Feel me? Shit like that. That's why I like the Benz, but this shit is fire, though. We outside. All right, gang. Oh shit, we in this bitch. We in this bitch for real. Ooh, this shit feels fire. Shit feels fire, gang. New whips. How do I start this motherfucker? Look, you got the, that motherfucker looks fire. I fuck with the dash. Damn, let's turn this copyright off. Ooh, this shit is tough. This motherfucker is tough, gang. Damn, I gotta set up the CarPlay. I need a cable for my phone. Damn, let's go. It's time to roll, gang. Definitely time to roll. Let's put that seatbelt on. Feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh, this is how you put it on drive, though. You flip the switch, right? Oh, no, drive mode. That's to take it off of econ mode. We gotta drive in sport, you feel me? Sport. And we out, gang. Damn, I wanna put the seat up, though. Let's see. How do I do that? Damn, I hate these type of cars. Alright, let's go, gang. Damn. This car is so quiet. They got the paddle shifters, though. I fuck with it. Let's try to slide back to the hood. We got the Benz right behind us. That's fire. This shit is pushing right now. I got it in sport mode. It's going crazy. Like I'm barely tapping on it. I wonder what else it got. It got traction off. Oh, look at the Benz. We got some rolling pictures of the Benz. Feel me? Ooh, I fucking know. Ooh, the Benz looks tough, gang. The Benz looks tough. The Benz looks tough. Car's so fire, I ain't gonna lie. Look at this interior. Never drove the new Hondas yet. This is my first time. Oh, it got like all these traffic and lane assistance buttons. I gotta go set all this shit up when I get back. Giving y'all some driving footage of the new 2024 Honda Civic. Oh, I can't wait. I gotta pull up on NYC gang, cause he got a new car as well. He got a Honda Accord, like a 2019. I got the Honda Civic. I'm on his ass. We gotta slide on, bro. Oh, I'm pushing this motherfucker gang through the towns. We down the alleyway, man. Shit. Tough roads, but just testing the car out. Damn, I went too far. Having too much fun right now with the Hondeezy. Oh, look at the Benz. Having too much fun with the Hondeezy. We finna park up the Benz, yeah. Finna park up the Benz. Oh, look at this M550, man. Oh, we got backup camera now. That's lit. Oh, yeah, the Benz. The Benz. Oh, we back in the block, gang. We got the Audi, Honda, and the Benz. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, my boy Yankee on my block. Yep, yeah, we got the Benz outside, gang. How you fuck with the Benz, gang?
You know,
That shit fire.
super.
Nah, bro, wait till you gotta drop that motherfucker, bro. I put it on sport. I was wild today. Yo, it got the paddle shifter. This shit fast. Hell yeah, gang. Shout out to the Benz gang, nigga. Now we got a new joint right here. Feel me? Yo, we outside. Yo, whip this one, bro, to the block. We out to your hood, to your block, yeah?
Let's go.
So you can see how this drive. This is the 2024 one, right? Yeah. Oh, you got my key for the Benz? Oh, I got him. Let me see. Oh, I already locked it. Oh, no, I don't. Some other shit. This motherfucker is fire, bro. Wait till I set this up, bro. Like, I didn't even set nothing up yet. Like, you know what I'm saying? Look, it got that start button, nigga. We outside. I gotta clean this shit, bro. It's mad dusty, but I put the tire shine on it and all that. Right now, bro, I'm gonna be outside. We got my boy driving it, man. We getting, feel me? How this feels, bro? You fuck with it?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
We reviewing the 2024 Civic, gang. Outside. You step on that bitch, man. We got this bitch on sport. I'm about to pull up on my boy. He got the Accord. About to race that nigga, man. Oh, this shit's sturdy. Yeah, outside. Yeah, that shit got like some type of turbo or something, bro. Well, look at the supermarket, nigga. We outside, dude. This that VTEC gang. VTEC. Oh, we got the old lady with the. Oh, she got scared. The Savage VTEC gang. And the Hondeezy. We finna wash it. I'm finna go finish cleaning this motherfucker, bro. Real quick. I gotta finish setting it up. Yeah.
I know all that.
And we got a lot of gas. There we go. We
I
got
that dog.
a lot of gas, man. Yo, my boy, hold on. What up, gang? I'm back here. I'm back at my crib with the Benz. I dropped my boy off. Check rear seats. Says check rear seats. I guess the rear seats are pushed down a little bit. You gotta push them back. I don't know why it says check rear seats. They're probably not locked in yet. Damn. We gotta wet this motherfucker up. I gotta wet this motherfucker up.